Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make arc text in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make the text arc. At first go to the insert menu, select the text box option and draw a text box. Then go to the shape format menu and make the shape fill none. Then write anything. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go back the home menu. Then increase the size of font. Now we go to the shape format menu again, select the text effect option, choose transform. Now I am select the arc effect. Then you can resize the text box. Now we can see we make the text arc easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.